Welcome back to Growing in the City, where we provide gardening tips to help you have a more successful growing season. Today, we're talking about broccoli. And as you may know, broccoli is loaded with vitamins, antioxidants, amino acids. It's very delicious. It also has sulforaphane, which is a sulfur-rich compound found in veggies such as the broccoli, cabbages, Brussels sprouts, and but broccoli can take months to grow. So instead, I'm going to show you how you can grow broccoli microgreens in a week. Coming up.
Hey now, take a step outside and seize the day now.
Alright, so here's a look at the broccoli microgreen seeds. They are pretty colorful, so that's pretty cool. And we're just putting them in the tray here. They're dry seeds, so you just want to spread them out evenly and don't let them clump together, and then you'll get even germination and lower the likelihood of mold occurring as they grow. Next, you want to put sanitizer and then water on the top, and then you only water on the top until they become seedlings. And so we're just going to cover it up, and this will help the roots go stronger by putting a weight on top. And you're trying to kind of simulate being in the ground. So this is just after 2 days, and you'll see lots of germination. They're not green because they haven't seen light, so photosynthesis has not occurred, and that's why they're yellow. Once you see them come up like this, now they're ready to see the light. And the little white hairs there, those are called root hairs, and they're just searching for nutrients. So they're perfectly what you might expect to see. Here you can see after 6 days underneath the grow lights, they're ready to go. Nice full germination. Here you can see, because we put the weight on it, this helps it grow, helps give them the stems strength, and they go straight up. It also helps, of course, that the light's directly underneath it. If you were to put it in a window, you might see it sort of bend towards the window. All right, so here we got broccoli. We're at 9 days. Starting at about 7 days, I started to nibble and put my broccoli here into my meals. Just wanted to give you a little bit of a view of the cutting process. You just want to try and you want to cut it and just use the knife as much as possible. And the more knife you use, as far as compared to pulling up, then the less issue you'll have with getting little flecks of either the cocoa, which is not any big deal. You can simply rinse it off, but less work is less work. The spicy salad mix that I have in the sort of step-by-step masterclass that I posted is still my favorite, but for an individual, this one is my new favorite. And reasons why is it just has a very nice mild broccoli flavor. I mean, you could really throw this on anything that you would use as a vegetable, and I mean, to be able to grow this in 1 week. 1 week. I mean, broccoli takes forever to grow. Broccoli is a long season. Got about 4 ounces here of microgreens and a half a tray. So for a full tray, full 10 by 20 tray, you can expect to get about 8 ounces. It had a really high germination rate, and also just keep in mind that even here's a pretty steady handful of microgreens, and it's about a half an ounce. All right, so if you did find some value in today's video about these awesome broccoli microgreens, please give us a thumbs up. Go ahead and post any questions you have, and I'll be sure to respond. And take care. We'll see you in the next one.